This video, we're going to estimate when multiplying decimals. We're going to do examples from 4.4, number 7, 11. Got a couple of each of those, and that'll be it. So I got a couple that are like number 7 and a couple that are like number 11. So my first example here that's like number 7, 6.3 times 3.7. And we want to find that exactly, and then we're going to approximate. So 6.3 times 3.7, this is 21. 42 plus 2 is 44. The 0 in the place of the ones. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to add 1, 13, 12 and 1 is 13. And then we've got 2 decimal points, so we end up with an exact answer of 23 and 31 hundredths. Now we're going to estimate that by rounding each factor to the nearest whole number. So this is about 6, and this is about 4. So that's going to be 24. And there we go. There's our estimation for our first problem that's like number 7. For our second problem like number 7, we have 7.1 times 3.9. 7.1 times 3.9, 963, 0, 321, 9672. 2 decimal points, so it's exactly 27.69 or 27 and 69 hundredths. Our estimated answer for this one is, again, we're going to round to the nearest whole number and then estimate that way. We get 28, which is very close to 27 and 69 hundredths. So those are both of our examples that are like number 7 from the textbook. Now let's move on to our examples that are like number 11 from the textbook. We have 1 and 65 10,000ths times 5 and 4 tenths. It's 20. 24 and 2 is 26. Put a 0 in the 1 spot. Slide over. 25. 32. 0, 5. 0, 11. 5, 3, 4, 5. And I have 5 decimal points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The decimal goes there. That makes sense that I have a number a little bit bigger than 1, so my answer should be a little bit bigger than 5.4, and it is. Now they want us to estimate by rounding each of the given numbers to the nearest whole number and then multiplying. So this is about 1 times 5 is 5, and that's a very close estimate. We have one more here like that. We're given 1 and 57 10,000ths times 4 and 2 tenths. So we're expecting a number a little bit bigger than 4 and 2 tenths. So we're going to multiply here. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'm going to put the 0 as a placeholder there. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. 4. This is 4, 9, 3, 2, 2, 4. And I have 4, 5 decimal places, 3, 4, 5. So we do have a number a little bit bigger than 4 2/10, like we expected. And we're going to round to the nearest whole number and multiply to get our estimate here, which is 4. That's a pretty close estimate. So there we have it. Come back now and we'll talk about dividing, estimating when we divide decimals. All right, see you for the next video.